Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi A7 air filter. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Torx T25 screwdriver and a new air filter. It's important to make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin any work. The air filter housing is typically found on the passenger side of the engine bay. This simple DIY task can improve your car's performance and fuel efficiency. Let's get started with the first steps.
To truly make your salad mythical, focus on ingredients with a story. Consider ancient grains like farro or quinoa, offering a delightful chew and earthy notes. Introduce mystical fruits such as vibrant dragon fruit or elegant starfruit for bursts of color and unique sweetness. Don't forget enchanted nuts and seeds, like candied pecans or toasted pumpkin seeds, providing a satisfying crunch and depth of flavor. These elements will elevate your salad. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're enjoying this guide, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, just like we're making cooking easier, why not make cleaning easier too? Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It has voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other amazing deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Almost there. To finish, we'll add a fragrant drizzle of sesame oil and a generous sprinkle of fresh cilantro for brightness. This really elevates the aroma and presentation. Remember to taste and adjust your seasoning. A little extra salt or a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.